Hey guys, it's Science Shane here, and today I'm going to be doing an experiment. So, what you will need for this experiment, you will need 100% juice, cranberry juice, an empty Pringle can, a knife, lemonade, and grapes. Step number 1, get your grapes and get maybe 5, and then you put them in the Pringles container, in there, and then get the cranberry juice and you pour about as much to the little line here in there. Is that enough? Okay, that's good. And then you put 3 grapes in there, 1, 2, 3, and then you get your lemonade, pour a lot of it in there, and then the grape, get your knife, cut it. Sure not to cut yourself because that'd be bad. Just cut it open, okay? Don't feel bad for it, it's just a grape. And then what you do, you hold it over the substance that we have just created and pour cranberry juice into the little crack. And then seal it together, you pop it in there. And then what you do, get essence of a grape, so you just store a grape, and blender. And then smash it up with your knife. So when you're done smashing up the grapes, you reward it, so you get a little lemonade. Yum yum. And then you do with this here, and you find a lid. If you don't have a lid, just do this. You can get a paper towel. This is really big. Okay, and squish it out. Oh no, that's too big. You get it a little smaller. A little piece off like that. You don't need all of this. So, just throw it in the trash. So, with your little paper towel, you wrap it around the Pringles can really tight. As tight as you can get it. You even put a grape on it, and it doesn't fall in. See, it's magic. Ooh, magic. Death-defying stunt there. So then, just put it in the freezer, wherever, I don't care, for like 30 seconds. No, don't do 30 seconds. No, don't do 30 seconds. That's too long. I'm gonna do 10 seconds, okay? I'm gonna do 10 seconds because I can't wait that long. So now you get your thing, put it in the fridge. Close the fridge. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fast off. You get it out of the fridge. So, if your experiment worked 100% correct, it's a grand unveiling. And as I said, if you do it completely correct, you should get this. A white tomato. I think it's a tomato. I don't have tomatoes there, so there we go. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you try this experiment for your own. I hope you get the same results I did, because it's totally possible. Now, time to sing, signing out.